'Cause one, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, 'cause it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeats as 1 through 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. Never I believe my work is done.
Out for edges on beaches.
So tingnan nyo guys, oh, ang ganda.
Cool.
Tingnan mo guys, ang ganda.
Edges on beaches, Agnes Water.
Maybe there's
One
added.
water, this way only.
Yeah, I think keep going.
Acacia, Banksia.
But I've got maps.
They said on the corner of Captain, that's the big road we drove down.
So,
Yeah, I think you're going the right way. Right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
oh, dito na kami guys, dumating sa 1770. So, ayan guys, ang ano.
I didn't see a tavern, Evie.
I don't know.
So, look at this one. So, ito ang 1770 na place. Maganda. Malinis. At dito kami ngayon. Ayan na, Taasan Castles. So guys, hinahanap namin ang aming tirahan, pero ang gaganda ng mga ano dito, mga resorts dito. Oh, ito na guys, ang aming, oy, ang ganda. So guys, maganda guys, oh. Yan ang reception. Ang ganda.
This looks alright.
So, dumating na kami dito. Tapos, guess what guys? May coconut tree dito. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Dalawang coconut tree. Ala, oh yan, marami doon, oh. Coconut tree. See, marami coconut tree dito guys. So, yan ang kagandahan sa aming dinadaanan guys. Ang ganda na araw, hindi umulan, hindi mainit, napakaganda. So guys, ito yung ano namin. Oh, tingnan mo niyo guys. Di ba maganda? Tapos, may veranda pa doon. May veranda doon. So, maganda. Ito sa baba pa lang to guys. So, aakyat ako sa taas. Aakyat ako sa taas. Ang hagdanan. Nahirapan akong umakyat. So, ito yung bed. Yan. Maganda guys. Tapos, ito yung toilet nila. Yan ang shower. Maganda. Tapos, ito yung main bedroom. Oh, Agnes Water. Ayan guys. And may veranda pa dito. So, ito yung veranda. Maganda yung... Saka guys, tingnan yung may niyog. Oh. Yan, oh, may niyog. Kasi parang Pilipinas na dito. So, yan ang... Hello, Evie. Evie, say hello. Oh, do you have kangaroo there? So, yan guys. Napakaganda. Kaso lang maliliit pa yung ano nila. So, dito lang muna guys. Mamaya kakain kami. Titingin kami ngayon sa pool area. Yan. Oh. So, ipakita ko sa inyo guys ang pool. So, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, yan. Tapos, ito ay heated pool. Yan. Heated pool yan. Ganda. Tapos, ito, another, yan. Oh, tatlong, how many pool? Is 4 pool. They have 4.
Most of these places are owned.
Huh?
Managers probably own like 6 or 8. They're always rented. Other people own and live here because they're retired and just decide to live here.
Well, there's a motor scooter there.
Or they
so
live here half the time and the rest of the time they rent it.
yeah, that's pretty.
Ang daming
The aircon things are right out here.
Tingnan mo, ang,
The aircon.
ang ano, ang daming bunga ng niyog nila, oh. Nakakatuwa.
3, 4 barbecues.
Ayan. Ang daming bunga.
Bought some steaks and stuff.
Ayan, ang daming bunga. Ayan.
Bit cool sitting out at night
Wala pang ano.
this time of year.
Wala pa akong makukuha. Ay, nako.
Sacred site. Sacred site. Secret,
just-
sacred Aboriginal site.
That's the
Elders must have put that there
that's the
before
coconut.
there's concrete.
That's the coconut. Small
Some kids have
coconut.
been playing or something. Yeah.
I was from there, look. Oh. So, 4 na swimming pool.
All right, Evie.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this game, I count to 20, and then I try and hit you with it.
Ang galing, ah. Pwede ka dito, yun, pwede ka doong magbabarbecue. Okay. Ay, ngayon guys, nandito kami ngayon sa pub ng Agnes Water. Kumakain kami. Ang ganda-ganda ng atmosphere guys. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Yeah. We are at the Agnes Waters Tavern. Yeah.
We're eating. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang ganda, puro ano. Ang laki-laki ng pub na to, oh. Mayroon doon. May my dinner, pork belly,
How long did we go?
broccoli, and
Several
mashed
years.
potato. Very yummy,
Yes.
guys.
The boys are very territorial.
So, Abby's
Every
dinner
breeding season,
is...
all the males didn't die.
What you have, baby? Carbonara.
If all the males didn't die, the adult males, they'd kill all.
Good morning guys. This is Dancing Pilihan. Guys, nandito na kami sa 1770 Lookout. Views, napakaganda.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
So, guys,
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope,
ito yung
nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
ganda ng ano,
Oh no.
bat nila. Diba? Grabe. Hmm? So, magwo-walk kami guys. Papuntang Lookout. Tingnan namin kung gaano kaganda itong view na to. 1770. Yan. Oh, napakaganda. Pagkatapos namin guys dito, papunta na kami, mag-drive kami ng papunta ng Rockhampton. So guys, tingnan nyo ang view dito. Ito na ang pinaka ano sa Lookout. Wala nang mapupuntahan. See guys, oh. So, danger, unfenced and unstable cliff edge. See? Yung iba guys, pumupunta pa doon sa ano, kaya mayroong nakaano na dangerous.
Unfenced and unstable.
Yeah. So that one there. But people still goes there though. Even they have a danger
So, pa-picture muna kami
sign,
dyan
but they still
sa
going there. So that's the ocean over there.
Kasi
So
napakaganda.
kung mahuhulog ka doon guys,
Yan ang
patay
apo
ka
ko.
talaga dyan.
Nag-i-enjoy siya sa aking company. Ayan,
Patay
ako.
ka talaga dyan.
Masayang masaya.
Yan guys. Yan. So ngayon, papunta kami sa kabila. Nag-aano kami. Titingnan namin doon sa kabilang view kung anong mas maganda doon sa kabila o dito. So, ito yung pangalawang walk path. Yan guys. Pero hindi namin alam kung gaano ka layo. Ako nga hinihingal na. Mayroon din dito. Do you want to buy this way or ay? Tingnan nyo. Napakaganda. Oh. Look at this, guys. Look at the views. Oh, just until here. So the views just until here. That's where we are there before. And you can go walk that way, but it's very dangerous. No way that I want to walk over there. No way. And look at guys. Oh, napakaganda. Diba? So guys, dito na naman kami sa kabilang walk path. Dito kami sa kabila. Titingnan namin kung anong ganda ang view dito sa kabila. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys ang view sa kabila. Ito ang aming road tripping. So, ang aming nakita dito guys, ayan, malaking angkla, saka yung mga bahay doon. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo guys anong mga magagandang tanawin dito sa Australia, sa countryside, hindi lang sa city ng Brisbane. Itong 1770 guys ay part pa rin to ng Queensland. So, ito ang makikita niyo. Ayan. Lalakad pa ako ng konti at ito yung makikita niyo guys. Tingnan niyo guys kung gaano kaganda, di ba? Oh. So, yung mga taong iba guys, naglalakad pa rin sila dyan papunta doon, ay delikado na yun. Doon. Tingnan nyo, lumalakad pa rin sila doon. Kung mahuhulog sila, yan guys, kung mahuhulog yan sila guys, nako, talagang paktay sila. Pero ako hindi ako pupunta doon. No way. Lalo na hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Pero guys, tingnan niyo. Diba? Saka yung mga bahay, siguro yung mga bahay na yan ang mahal-mahal kasi ang views ang binabayaran nila. So, chill na lang guys. So, yung mga tao na yan, yun ang nalulunod sa dagat. Yan sila. Yan ang nalulunod sa dagat. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo na unang video. Yan. Sila ang Lulunod sa dagat, guys.
Nope, nope, probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Tingnan nyo, guys. Sa tabi ng kalye, oh. Ang mga ibon. Is that, I don't know what it.
They're wood ducks.
Oh, that's a wood duck. Wood ducks dito sa tabi ng kalye. So guys, on the way na kami papuntang Rockhampton. Pero bago kami pupunta ng Rockhampton, mag-stop over kami kahit saan. Kasi magbe-breakfast kami. So hindi namin alam kung anong susunod namin stop over. Pero doon kami matutulog sa Rockhampton. And then kinabukasan, papunta na kami ng chill guys. Guys, we stop over here on Miriam Bell. We stop over because we need to have some breakfast and to relax our feet. So we'll see what we can have for our breakfast today. So guys, naka-order na kami ng aming breakfast. Ang breakfast namin ay bacon and egg roll. You have?
I got ham and cheese toasted.
And what's your drink?
I got a caramel milkshake.
That sounds yummy. And are we close to Rockhampton now?
2 hours, I think.
How many?
2 hours.
2 hours? Not long. Okay. So when we are on Rockhampton, what can we do over there?
You can go to the shops, you can do Frozen Zoo, drive to the botanical gardens.
Okay. So I want to go to the zoo to see my relatives and go to the botanical gardens. Okay? Why are you laughing when I say that? To see my relatives in the zoo.
Who's your relatives in the zoo?
The monkey,
Yeah, thought so.
chimpanzee,
Yeah, chimpanzee.
chill guys. That's Abby's drink,
Caramel milkshake.
caramel milkshake. And mine is cappuccino, guys. Para sa aming travel. Para hindi antukin. Tsaka pag mamaya na naman, hinto na naman kami para sa aming lunch. But I think doon kami hihinto sa Rockhampton, doon kami mag-lunch. Is that right, Ibi?
Fun?
Maybe we have lunch on Rockhampton?
Yeah, probably.
Because you said 2 hours.
Yeah, it says that we'll get there at like 12.
Yeah. So yeah, ipiplex ko kayo guys kung saan na kami sa aming road tripping. Tapos na kami sa Agnes Water and then tapos na kami sa 1770. Now sa Miriam Bell. Tapos ewan ko kung saan ang next hinto namin. How's your food?
Yeah, good.
Good?
Pretty yummy.
Pretty yummy? Sure?
Do
Okay.
you want any cakes, Evie? No?
So, ito yung aking breakfast. Bacon and egg roll. So, kain na tayo guys. Not bad. Look at this. Ang mandarin ko, ang daming bunga. Diba? Ang daming bunga ng aking mandarin, guys. So guys, we stop over here on Mount Larcombe. Magpapapetrol at mag-inat-inat sa aming mga paa. So, pakita ko sa inyo, guys.
So guys, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-support sa aking channel. At sana hindi kayo magsawa sa pag-support ng aking channel. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. At hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. I love you all. And again, thank you sa pag-support ninyo sa aking channel. I love you all. Bye for now.